You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this French city that is dear to my heart. We'll be looking at how to say more French names that too many mispronounce, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. In French it is said as Bordeaux, Bordeaux. Silent X, E-A-U together comes down to the sound O, Bordeaux. In English, Bordeaux. Bordeaux is how you say it. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations like this video. If you found this useful, it helps me immensely. Appreciate it, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.